Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit orange filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light, Highlights -100, Shadows +83, Whites +20, Blacks +55. Go to Curve, follow the settings. And go to Color, Temp +14, Tint -8, Vibrance -13, Saturation -21. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color, Hue +23, Saturation -5, Luminance -32. Next go to Orange, Hue +11, Saturation +11, Luminance -30. Go to Yellow, Hue -5, Saturation -85, Luminance +17. Go to Green, Saturation +20, Luminance -8. Go to Sky Blue, Hue -35, Saturation -2, Luminance -9. Go to Blue, Hue -59, Saturation +6, Luminance -11. Go to Purple, Hue -14, Saturation -1, Luminance +9. Go to Pink, Hue +2, Saturation -2, Luminance +4. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the clarity -11. Go to Split Tone. And bring the hue 54. And Saturation 8. For shadows. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time, have a great day.